Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. So here we have a ECM that was misfiring on cylinder 1. Yep, very typical. This actually, oh my god, it took me like half an hour to find which client sent this, because nobody creates a ticket on the ticket tracking system to make my life a little easier, but it's not required. I'm not complaining about that. It just takes a little more time to associate the package with the client. And I'm glad I double checked, because I got it wrong. But I did write the customer, did you send me this? No, mine was from Connecticut, not from New Mexico. Yeah. Okay. So what is our issue? This little guy. This little baby here. Let's get the stuff. No more intake flags. I know you guys love it, but it just doesn't work. I have another ECM coming back actually after I used MTEC flags on it, and the misfire came back. So now only RMA flags. See this crappy solder? I can see it best over here. So that is the issue, not crappy solder. So let's get rid of it and replace it with a nice, environmentally unhealthy leaded solder. Alrighty, the repair is done. Looks pretty good. Not sticky. Always check if the chip is not sticky. If it's sticky, you'll have some flux. But if you pour alcohol on the mask, as long as it's kind of fresh, it will be sticky. But yeah, not the chip and nothing around the chip, otherwise the mask is not gonna stick, which is not an end of the world. Don't get me wrong. Even if you don't put the mask at all, it's still gonna work. But I prefer to actually do the job well, so it doesn't come back. Alrighty, that is the repair for who is it for? Paul from, let's check it, the New Mexico. Paul from New Mexico. Oh, New Mexico, okay. That's actually where I'm planning to move. So we'll be neighbors if I do move there, because I was thinking there, New Mexico or Arizona, because that's the only states I can actually afford. Alrighty, thank you very much guys for watching. Paul, thank you very much for your business, and I shall see you guys in the next one.
Black Horse Repairs, subscribe. You heard me.